Hey there, beautiful one. My name is Faith Hunter, and welcome to episode number 11 of the Sunday Read. If you don't know, I am reading from my book, Spiritually Fly. Let's jump right in. I'm going to be reading from page 17, and this is in Sutra 1, Lead with Love, Create a Foundation of Breath. Breathing is an essential component of life and is crucial to the practices of yoga and meditation. Without conscious breath flowing through you, it is impossible to absorb and feel the connection between body and mind. When you visualize breath moving into one area, your molecular structure will immediately shift, and as a result, your body responds positively. For me, the breath is my foundation for living authentically. It is the key that opens the door and gives me space to pause, rest, and fortify my connection to myself and others. I constantly share with my students the importance of having a daily breathing practice as a form of self-care. It's the same self-care we take in preparing a healthy meal or brushing our teeth. When breathing is approached with attention and devotion, it becomes a habit that gives us time to pause. When you pause, you create pockets of time to reflect. When you reflect, you access your state of being, and with that, gratitude and self-acceptance turn into self-love. Basically, self-care has the amazing ability to ripple into self-love. When you activate deep care for yourself without comparison, you intuitively see what is in front of you with a neutral mind and an open heart. On a scientific level, conscious breathing allows oxygen to move more efficiently through the body, promotes concentration, and boosts overall vitality. It puts the body in a place of healing and changes the response of the body's autonomic nervous system. As the breath flows, it fires messages to the brain to make adjustments in the parasympathetic system, which slows the heart rate and generates a feeling of calmness in the sympathetic system. In moments of fear, anger, and even depression, the breath has the power to draw the body and mind into a place of harmony, helping the body's systems to work properly through a daily breathing practice builds a strong immune system. I like to think that while eating, sleeping, and physical movement compose the framework of healthy immune function, breathing is the delicate yet solid force of nature that brings about stability. Along with helping to fight the progression of autoimmune diseases, conscious breathing lowers cortisol levels and blood pressure. Modern life has taxed our physical body, and even the basic function of driving a car can compress the spine and make it difficult to fully access the diaphragm. When you make time to breathe and activate the diaphragm, you remove toxins and set a foundation for life. Breath is life, and conscious breath delivers a limitless life. The 3 breathing practices described below will steady and calm the nervous system. While they are often taught during yoga classes, these techniques also blend smoothly with meditation and deep contemplative exercises and can be done anytime, anywhere. The breathing practices that I talk about in my book include Ujjayi breath, alternate nostril breathing, and left nostril breathing. I'm just going to read a quick kind of opening that I have for each of these 3 breathing practices. And of course, I'll leave links below. And of course, I'll leave some links to other videos. Ujjayi breathing. Typically translated as victorious breath and often called deep yogic breathing, Ujjayi has been taught in the Hatha yoga tradition for thousands of years as a method to link breath and body. When this linking occurs, the breath builds heat in the body while also calming the mind. The Hatha Yoga Pradipika states that Ujjayi should be performed in all conditions of life, even while walking and sitting. This breathing practice relieves tension, encourages the flow of energy in the physical body, and improves concentration, detoxifies the mind and body, and increases energy and the level of oxygen in the bloodstream. Mostly, it enables us to breathe through challenges, physical as well as emotional. Here's alternate nostril breathing. Alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana, is another Hatha yoga breathing practice that purifies the energy channel in the subtle body by alternating the breath between the nostrils. I like to call this breathing practice the sweet spot because it calms the mind and cultivates a balanced platform for emotional breath while also effortlessly syncing the physical body. As the breath moves from left nostril, the moon channel or the feminine energy, to the right sun channel or masculine energy, it improves mental awareness, performance, activates the parasympathetic nervous system, increases respiratory strength, and reduces blood pressure. Keep in mind, feminine and masculine energy flows through us all. When you think feminine, imagine self-reflection, introspection, and intuition. And on the flip side, masculine can be considered logical thinking, digestion, and heat. The true quality of sweetness is that alternate nostril breathing moves prana, which is life force, through the central channel of the subtle body, bringing about an overall sense of equanimity. And the final one, left nostril breathing. Left nostril breathing is perfect for when you are feeling overly anxious, nervous, angry, or frustrated. When you breathe through the left nostril, a cooling, cleansing effect washes over the mind, and in a matter of 60 seconds, you become calm. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of the Sunday Read. My name is Faith Hunter, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.